Okay, so I'm Scott Fletcher, and I'm a chiropractor, and I'm going to be trying to answer commonly asked questions or frequently asked questions by my patients and posting it, and you can feel free to comment or respond. One common question that I get in practice all the time is chiropractic safe for kids? And the answer is yes. Yes, it is safe. I'm going to start by pointing at these three beautiful kids here who are my children. That's Haley, Harrison, and Hayden, and I have adjusted them their whole life. And so I would start by saying that almost all chiropractors adjust their own kids for the very reason that it's not only safe, but it's very beneficial. So when we're talking about kids, we're talking about a wide age range. If we start with infants, there are chiropractors who specialize in doing infants, but infants can be adjusted. It is safe. We don't adjust infants the way we would adults. We typically use either a special tool or an instrument that is low force. But some common reasons why parents bring their children in, their infants in, to be adjusted by a chiropractor would be torticollis, where a child's neck is very stiff and they can't turn it, and it makes them scream and cry quite a bit. It's very uncomfortable, and chiropractic works well with that. A couple other common reasons would be ear infections and digestive issues, and that can be researched if you want to find out more about that, but these are common reasons why people bring their children into chiropractors for treatment. The next group would be toddlers, and the thing about toddlers is they're learning to walk, they fall quite a bit, and they're becoming more active with their playing, but they don't have great balance or coordination yet. And so it's not uncommon for them to fall and to bump their head and to fall back and to fall forward. And parents notice that they might be injured or they have those concerns, and they bring them in. And chiropractors are always trained to look for potential problems and to adjust them. And same thing with toddlers. Typically we don't adjust them the same way we would an adult. We're looking to use a more lower force technique that allows us to adjust their spines in a way that's comfortable and not painful. The next group are the adolescents. Kids growing up, they become more active in youth sports, and they're also going through their growth spurts. It's not uncommon for them to develop neck pain, upper back pain, lower back pain, hip pain, knee pain, either related to activity or sports or growth. And it's safe to adjust them. I've been a chiropractor for 21 years. I've adjusted hundreds and hundreds of kids throughout the course of my career as a chiropractor, and they do real well with it. One reason for that is they are more flexible and more mobile than an adult, and that benefits them in several ways. Number one, it's easier to adjust kids than it is adults, and number two, they tend to respond more quickly. So I have a lot of parents, again, bring their kids in that are involved in youth sports and athletics. We get into the teens, and teens are basically just young adults, and they do really well with chiropractic. The most of the teens that I see are coming in because they're in some level of advanced competitive sport, or they have stress-related injuries from their life and from school and from homework and all of those sorts of things, and postural strain from carrying backpacks and sitting in uncomfortable desks that don't fit them. So to summarize, is chiropractic safe for kids? And the answer is yes, of course. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you.